Biscuit's First Beach Day by Elsa Satin Cappuccilli. Here we are, Biscuits. It is a beautiful sunny day. It is a perfect day to spend at the beach. Woof, woof. We have your beach blankets and towels. Woof, woof. We have a big umbrella too. Woof. That's the way to help, Biscuit. We can build a Biscuit sandcastle at the beach, Biscuit. I have my pail and shovels. Woof, woof. Funny puppy, and you know just how to dig. Woof. The beach is filled with size hills, Biscuit. Let's see how many we can find. Woof, woof. Oh, Biscuit, you found a starfish. Woof. Look, Biscuit, Paddles is here. Woof, 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 woof. This way, everybody, we can all go for a dip in the ocean. Are you ready, Biscuit? Let's jump over the ocean waves together. Here comes a wave cyclist. Woof, 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 woof. Oh no, Biscuit, not a big cycle. It is time to dry off. It is lunch time. Woof, 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 woof. Sally puppies, not tying on the towel. It is fun to have a picnic at the beach, Biscuit. We packed sandwiches, fruit and drinks. Woof, 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 woof. And some special treats for you too. Oh no, drinks goes or beach ball. Woof, woof. Good puppy, you found our beach ball. You found a seagull too. Woof. The sky is bright and clear. A warm breeze is blowing. The beach is a great to Polly or kittens. Biscuit, Paddles, where are you going to now? Woof, 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 woof. Sweet puppies, the beach is a perfect place for lots of sun and fun and a little nap too.